Today, we're diving into a gripping scenario from Blue Teams Online, analyzing a ransomware attack. If you're into cybersecurity and malware analysis, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Our story begins with an urgent call from an account executive to the Security Operations Center, SOC. Frustration and panic are evident in his voice. He can't access his files, and a chilling ransomware message is all he sees. First things first, let's set the stage. The infected computer is isolated from the network. We've got a memory dump, and it's time to bring in Volatility3, a powerful tool for memory forensics. After installing Volatility3, our first step is to analyze the processes running on the infected system. With a specific command in Volatility, we spot the culprit, wannadecryptor. But who's pulling the strings? That's where parent process IDs come into play. By examining timestamps and parent process IDs, we pinpoint Encrypted as the initial malicious executable. But we don't just guess. We confirm it using another command in Volatility, focusing on windows.pstree. Next up, we need to identify which process is responsible for deleting files. A tweak in our Volatility command reveals taskdl.exe. A quick internet search confirms our fears. It's part of the infamous Wannacry ransomware. Diving deeper, we uncover inaccessible, the encryptor file. Our final piece of the puzzle is finding where this chaos started. A command in Volatility focusing on CMD line leads us to the birthplace of this nightmare. C, users hacker desktop your x. And there you have it, friends, a step-by-step journey into the dark world of ransomware analysis. This scenario isn't just a story, it's a reminder of the constant threats lurking in the digital shadows. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into malware analysis with Blue Teams Online. It's a fascinating, albeit daunting world. If you're keen on more cybersecurity content, share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay vigilant and keep learning.